Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. I missed you all and I hope you are having a happy new year. Today I'll be creating a coffee table out of a project poster board. This board is 28 inches across and I'm going to start off by cutting 12 inches off. Next, I am going to take my ruler and I'm going to mark where I am cutting, and I am marking the spaces about 4 inches apart. Next, I am taking my X-Acto knife and I'm just going across the lines. And I took a second project board and I did the same. Now I will be attaching the boards together using my hot glue gun and my Gorilla Glue sticks. And next I will be forming a circle and then gluing both sides together. And now I am just adding the extra pieces of the boards to add inside to make it stronger. I then took a total of 9 circle foams that I got from the Dollar Tree and I cut them in half, and then I took them outside and spray painted them silver. Next, I took a piece of the metallic poster board and I glued it around the middle of the table. And next I'll be gluing on the half circle foams. Now, since the glue gun that I have is so hot, it actually took a while to glue them on, so I developed a technique and I'm going to show you what I did. So I basically put the hot glue on the pieces of foam and then I sat them back down and let them dry a little bit, and then I went back and stuck them on and they seemed to start sticking faster. After all the pieces were glued on, I took my glue gun and I went around the foam and made sure they were glued on and secure. Next, I took the metallic poster board and I cut out strips to glue on top of the foam circles. I only glued the strips on the top because later on I'm going to flip the table upside down and then do the same to the other side. Now I am continuing to glue the strips to the other side of the table. I then took another piece of the metallic poster board and I am gluing it around the brim of the table. And I'm doing this for the top and the bottom of the table. Next, I took this piece of foam board that I pre-cut to fit the top and the bottom of the table, and I'm just going to be adding on a piece of metallic poster board and gluing it down. Lastly, I decided to glue on some piks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this is the last thing that I'm going to be doing to the table. And you can also use the inside of the table for storage. You don't necessarily have to glue the top down. I have some exciting news that I can't wait to share with you all. And this is how the table looked when everything was done. This is a simple yet beautiful, elegant table. You can use this as a side table, a main table. You can even use it in your bedroom. I really appreciate all the feedback that you guys gave me for the last video, and I am taking it into consideration. Please follow me on Instagram. I am doing a drawing and giving away a prize very soon. I love you, glitter babes, and see you next time.